Welcome to Krixik. In this example video, we'll review how to easily and cost-efficiently recursively summarize text with a multi-module Krixik pipeline. For context, recursive summarization helps you summarize text as concisely as you wish and is achieved by running text through a summarization process multiple times in sequence, each time taking as input the output of the prior summarization instance. On Krixik, this can be achieved by either processing a file through a single module summarized pipeline multiple times, or through one pipeline that sequences multiple summarization modules, which is what we'll do here. The applications of text summarization include creating executive summaries, generating abstracts for academic papers, news article summarization for quick updates, and improving information retrieval. Doing so recursively allows you to determine the level of detail in your summaries. The more you recurse, the more concise the summary. Let's begin. After you install Krixik and initialize your session, your first step will be to assemble your pipeline. You do this with the create pipeline method. The create pipeline method takes two mandatory arguments, name and module chain. Name is the pipeline's unique identifier, so set it wisely. Module chain specifies a sequence of modules you want in the pipeline. In this case, you need multiple summarized modules. 3 of them will do nicely. Your pipeline is now ready for file processing. You can test it with the first few paragraphs of George Orwell's 1984. In this example, you'll recursively summarize the text with a module's default model. As of this recording, that model is BART Large CNN, which is currently popular in Hugging Face. Be sure to check our documentation though, because it may have changed, or simply sign up for a newsletter or follow us on social media and we'll let you know. Since this is the default model, it doesn't need to be specified. To process the file, invoke the process method on the pipeline you created. The process method takes one mandatory argument, which is local file path. This is a basic file path indicating where the file you wish to process is stored in your local drive. The other arguments here are optional and all have default values if not specified. For example, local save directory indicates where in your local drive you want output saved, and expire time specifies how long process data should be kept on the Krixik system before being deleted. There are other optional arguments beside these. With the text now processed, you can print the output of the process. Here it is, a very brief, but still accurate, summary of the original text. Perfect. Remember that you can gauge the degree of summarization through the number of summarized modules in the pipeline. Moreover, the recursive summarization doesn't have to be run by itself. If you'd like to complement it with another module type before or after it in the pipeline, you can go right ahead. Is there a model or function you'd like to use in a Krixik pipeline like this, but that isn't currently available? Let us know via GitHub, X, or email. We're always looking to add more great models to our modules. Thank you for watching and welcome to Krixik.